Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new series. Now, as you can see today, we are not on Pocket Edition, we are on Java. And in fact, I have been invited to join an SMP called Starflame SMP. It's was invited a couple of weeks ago. I was very excited about it. And yeah, basically it's just an SMP with some friends. We're all having fun. We're all doing Minecraft things. This is a modded survival uh, SMP, and the goal here is just to have some fun, make some friends, do Minecraft things, start a few wars, but that's fine. Now, if you're wondering why am I struggling to log onto the server, it's not the server's fault. My internet was just crummy at the time, and yeah, not nothing wrong on the server side. Yeah, on this, my goal here is to do Minecraft things, build, do some adventuring, and just having fun. Now, I have a role here in my group of being a builder. So basically, I have to do a lot of building. Now, I have two building projects that I am currently focusing on. One being to build a barracks, with a sort of tiny house where we can put down our beds and set our spawns, and two, build a storage room area. And I have had a lot of fun designing that last week for the better part of half a week. And yeah, and that is my goal, to build and to make friends along the way. Now, in terms of my other projects, I will get to my Pocket Edition videos at some point. Right now, I'm just trying to find my bearings and trying to work out how my setup works. Now, you might see that this is a sort of Java server. However, there is a few bedrock characteristics. Well, this mod pack that we play on includes Essential. And what Essential basically does, from my experience, is bringing aspects of Bedrock to Java, such as you can place blocks in front of you, coordinates, and other features. And that's actually kind of neat. Makes me feel a bit more at home. Now, as I mentioned before, this is a Java server, so it's going to take me a while to get used to that, but I will try my best. Now, this is the storage room that I have designed in a creative building world. It's quite a big build for a survival series. Now, my thought was here to use much of the natural light, and basically to use all the materials that could be was relatively easy to get. And yes, for all the keen-eyed of you out there, yes, the building is once off-centered by one block. Yeah, but I have fixed that, and hopefully I will be better at building it in the actual world. Yeah, we are in the building. This is the second floor of the building. I've tried to incorporate as much natural light in it. This is where all the crafting, all the workstations would be. The first floor is for all the chests and the storage area. We have a third floor, and as you'll see in a moment, we have a sort of balcony area atop here, the tower balcony area, that I think just rounds off uh, the build quite well. It's just to look out the area. Also, defense wise, it could be used for a lot of scouting out. I am just struggling to get out of here. For some reason, even in creative mode, you can't fly over fences, which is quite interesting. Yes, this is the barracks, or where we'll be sleeping. I've designed this as well. This is where we can sleep and set our spawn. It's not very big. I've designed it to not to be very big. It's spacious, but it's not very big. It's just there for us to set our beds down, basically. Yes, that's now. Um, I did where I live in my area currently. We have a bit of a problem with the reception. It's it's nothing I can do, unfortunately. So if you see me struggling a bit on the server, or you see my game lag out a few seconds, that's why. But yeah, it's an honor to be invited to a Java server. Um, Primarily, I'm a Bedrock player, but this is going to be fun, and there's a lot of interesting people that I've yet to meet, and a lot of things that I have to do, would like to do actually. Now, in terms of base building, there's quite a few things that I have done. I first needed to get onto the road, get to our base location, which took a long time. Um, this is not our base location. This is another team's base location. We went on a bit of another excursion. We couldn't find the fortress. I eventually did, but we went on. That's why I was at another team's base. Now, right now, I traveled back. One thing I forgot to mention is for the first, I think, 3/4 of this video, I didn't have any sound. I did have sound, however, I didn't quite get into account that my recording software would record my game sounds and other sounds that I was listening to as well. I was listening to audiobooks at the time, and I don't think I want the copyright uh, trouble of that. So yeah. So this is our base, and a teammate, has set up a sweet berry farm for food. At the beginning we were struggling for food quite a bit, so I was very happy about that. And yeah, we've for the reason this video took so long to make for me was I had to spend days organizing stuff, getting stuff together. So is this is our kitchen area. This area is where Snowball sleeps. And this area is where I am going to put the storage where it's this corner as Snowball. Yes, he is I'm not sure what he is. Snowcat or something. Yes, this area would be for more crafting stations and stuff. Currently, I don't think I showed it on screen. That area was for another watch farm. Had a lot of trouble getting the nether wart together. That was fun. This is our enchantment setup, our brewing station future, hopefully. Um, yes, at that point I haven't sorted out all the chests, but it's fine. Alright, so now I have gathered all the materials, or I'm beginning to gather all the materials for the storage building. Um, the only thing I think I will need is sand. However, I've designed the storage building to make sure that the sand there's as much as few glass needed as possible. So we I have organized all of our chests, which took the entire day yesterday. And if we go out here, I have started wireframing. Now this is going to be the barracks. I think we're 5 or 6 people, and this is the beginnings of the storage room. It's just a big dirt square at the moment. However, it will get better. Oh no, the snow's gone. Anyway, this is the end of. This is going to be the end. I need to get building and making sure gathering more supplies for the build. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again next time.